Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning and I've just filled up with petrol. I'm going on a trip to Magaliesburg and from there to Skeerpoort. As you can see, it's still very early and it's a lovely day here in Rustenburg. I just had a look outside and you can see the stars, so I want to get on an early start here. And the main purpose today is the other day when Jenna and myself went riding our bikes, I saw some hot air balloons, and with the weather being this nice, I want to get out there and see if I can get some footage with my drone. So let's just hope that the weather will be fine for them to fly, and that's why I'm out here this early. On the left hand side is Olifant Snack Dam, so I'm just passing this now. It's getting a little bit lighter now. And it looks like there's fog, so this is where the fun is going to start now. I can hardly see anything. What you see on the GoPro is what I see through my visor. It's getting really wet, and yeah, as you can see, the visibility is really bad. I'm in a clear patch, and I'm gonna turn left here to Skeerpoort. Now guys, as you can see, everywhere there's fog in the air, and well, it makes for beautiful photography. But I just hope that the guys are gonna fly their hot air balloons, but time will tell. There's a glimpse of a hot air balloon, so I better stop here quickly and get the drone in the air. I think next to these trees are gonna be the perfect spot. Yeah, right here. Well guys, I didn't think that we were gonna fly in this weather, so I was really blessed to get this footage. As you can see, it's beautiful footage. It's not something that you see every day. And yeah, I'm on my way to Vovotalo now, so I'm gonna make a separate clip on that, and then I'll explain just a little bit more what's happening there. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna take it really slow. The roads are wet, my jacket is wet, and that's the last thing I expected was for today to be a wet day like this is. But I'm just so chuffed with this video footage that I got with my drone. And guys, when you're out on the road, be safe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you for all the likes that you're giving my channel. Appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend.